job for today is this bit of fencing back here. Now, I'd done this gate a little while ago, and then we were invited back to take out a row of dead conifers which come off there, and we've been asked to come back to sort out this fence which has fallen down since. And we've also got this whole area here which we're doing over the next couple of days. We're doing a decking, a wraparound decking as well. So we're going to undo some of the work we've done on the gate because we didn't know this was going to happen, but we're going to literally just take it off the hinges, swing it all around, and you know, just hang it off the other side. Nice simple little job there. That way, because of the step and everything, but that'll be seen later on. Only a few panels this. Going for concrete posts. Going to be losing some of this area along here where it was raised before and all a bit of rubbish, but there we are. It's a cold old morning, so keen to get on with some work.